I didn't sleep good. Gonna go shower, get my life together. Okay, so it is 6:23 and I have to leave at about like 6:30 something ish. I'm tired, but like I expect it at this point, you know what I mean? Because like my brain isn't fully able to relax, and last night it wasn't just about like job stuff or anything. So I feel like when I experience a lot of stress, it like brings up other things that stress me out in my brain, and so that it's like a whole bunch of stressed thoughts looping around in my brain. And so like when I'm really stressed, I think it brings up everything else that I'm stressed about, and so then it all becomes a whole big steaming pile of crap that I just play on loop while I sleep, quote unquote. But it's a new day. Today is gonna be a long one, starting at 7, ending at 10. Long day, but hopefully it'll be a good one. Last night wasn't too bad. Just the setup was just a little aggravating, because people didn't show up till like later. Can't really control that, can you? You can only control what you can control. Yeah, so big long day. There's gonna be a lot of people here. Gonna be a lot of entries. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else too much to say here in Michigan, Detroit, Michigan, you know. But and we're back at it again.
On this hub, already on. The batteries are going. I'll do that right now. And over the top. One for me. I don't know if it's too much, but it's all right.
Okay, started the backup. I'm gonna get my jammies on and then we're gonna finish the rest of this backup. I'm gonna take a shower in the morning because I already took a shower today. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do some breathing exercises so I don't have any nightmares about this job like the past couple of times. And we're just gonna wind down for tonight. So I'm doing the uploading, and I'm just sitting here waiting for it to finish because I'm just so tired, so exhausted. We had a few issues today. Lots of false starts, lots of scratches. Did some run-off stages, and there was a wardrobe malfunction too today. So lots of things I had to juggle between, write down, note for everything. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting for this thing to hurry up so I can get to bed. But yeah, busy day today. Today's the longest, hardest day because like Saturdays are always the busiest days, the longest days, and knowing that you have Sunday still to go, it's just like tomorrow though it'll feel nice because I'll know at the end of it, like I get to, you know, wrap up, you know, get all my stuff together, and I get to come back to the hotel, and then I need to redistribute all of my luggage so that everything is under 50 pounds. I don't have a weigher with me, so it's gonna have to be at the airport when I'm, you know, there and scrambling around to probably take stuff out and put stuff in another case. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Tomorrow's hours are gonna be 7 to 5 or 6. Supposedly, it might go to 7. But yeah, and then I fly out Monday morning. But yeah, so I'm just, you know, doing the do right now and hoping for the best. Hoping I do everything and marked everything right. And with that, I'm about to go to bed. So, good night. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Oh man, it's 5:53. It is taking everything in me to get out of bed this morning. I just have no energy. I'm just so exhausted. Okay, I'm gonna go get in the shower. Alright, so I'm gonna run downstairs real quick, grab some coffee, because yesterday I ordered from Dunkin' and it definitely had dairy in it, and I was tooting up a storm, I'll tell you that much, at least. But yeah, so I'm literally just gonna go get hotel coffee, because it's ridiculous. They locked the milk fridge, so it's literally just black coffee. I spilled coffee. Oh well. So it's a big day. It's not only just Sunday, but it's the first day that my podcast comes out. It's called Young, Wired, and Unmedicated. And it's about ADHD and like how to get through life. You know, being 23 and all the stuff that I've learned and being off of meds and stuff. So go check it out. I'm really proud for myself for talking about things like this and, you know, how I deal with things. So that maybe it'll help somebody out there. But yeah, so I'm really excited about my podcast. So go check it out. It's on my channel. I'll probably link it down below. Yeah, and see all the fun, cool stuff that I've been talking about recently. Time to go. It's so wet out here. Also, the wind is blowing my hair. It's okay. Last day, Sunday. Whoop whoop. All right, let's get it done. Okay, so I packed everything up in like record time, mostly because I just wanted to go to the Goodwill and get the shoes that I wanted. See if they still have them at least. We're gonna go to Goodwill real quick because I want some loafers, bro. Haha, I'm gonna pop some tags. Somebody got them, no. All right, well I came out with black shoes. Calvin Klein's for $3, and they're dress shoes to replace my Cole Haan ones, because I've had them for 3 years and I wear them almost every day, so I'm happy about that. Just gonna, yeah, right there. Okay. Probably gonna have to wear those because those are heavier than my sneakers because My luggage was already heavy enough. So at this point, I'm just gonna hope and pray that my other suitcase is less than 40 or 50 pounds. Hope and pray. Because I'm like taking it out of my car just to lug everything back into. Anyways, I still have work to do. I have to upload, but I also have to do a split and trim because the announcer messed up. So that means I have to fix my stuff. So. But hey, it's fine. It's only one. And then it's still, you know, it's 6:07, so I can still make it to the gym, which is quite incredible after a very long day. And then I get to shower. Okay, so I just kind of threw in the cables and the tripod with my little toiletry stick here, which does not fit, so I have to undo it. But yeah, I threw in the cables because they were all tangled, and I wanted to get to Goodwill to buy these shoes. Look at these shoes. Calvin Klein, square-toed, for $3. I mean, come on. They're not used. There's no ripping anywhere. I mean, there's a little scratches on the leather, but like, other than that, and they fit well. They're perfect. They don't hurt my feet, which is great. But yeah, so I need to like redo this, and I need to check this because I really slammed everything in here. So I'm just gonna try to reorganize some things. As you can see, wrapping cables sucks. It is the worst part about this job. And it's literally the 100-foot snake. Every time it will get you. That's why it's called a snake. Because that bitch will eat you. I don't wrap it like good enough, but it's what I have at the moment. So I'm gonna try to fit this arm in here. I don't think that I can. I think I'm gonna have to untape it and then retape it every single time, which sucks. Like, at least when I'm like suitcase traveling. When I'm regularly traveling, I can, I'm gonna see if I could take this arm off. Stick it in sideways. I can, actually. That will work. There, and then that will go there. Perfect. We're good. Although, is it worth taking the pin out? Or maybe not. There's a washer there, though. It's fine. I'll just pack clothes around it. Anyways, I'm gonna throw some of my dirty clothes in there, and then I'm gonna hit the gym because I need to blow off some steam, you know? Good to go. Sleeves are getting rolled. It's getting serious. Did cardio for 25 minutes. It is now 7:50. I am sweating and gross, and I need to take a shower. It's been a day, but I honestly needed that. Sitting for a while, it gets you. So I'm about to refill my water though. I got distracted by the noise. I have to deprive myself of water while I'm working so that I don't go to the bathroom, so I don't have to mess up and miss it and have to edit it at night. So it's best to just dehydrate myself for the time being. Okay. I really want to go to the bar and get a drink, but I know that I shouldn't, so I'm not going to, because I just worked out. What is that gonna do for my body? Nothing other than the fact that it might get rid of some stress, but you know what? That's for a later me to deal with. Right now, I'm focused on getting some rest.